Alright, now it's back to camp. We have made it back to our forest pumpkin. Got Lou in there laying down. She's all tired from the day's travels. I took her saddlebags and everything off. I got my new pack with the sleeping bag at the bottom. I got to charge my trusty lantern on the solar panel for the 2 days I was gone. And I've got plenty of water for all types of cooking and baby drinking and everything. So yeah, let me get situated and I'm gonna roll a cigarette and I'll be back in a second. 1 second, just to show you how hot I've been. Look at that hat. I have been sweating my ass off, but it's all good. I've sweated worse than this. But yeah, let me take that second and get situated. All right, that's been a second. Time to wrap up the rest of the night. Right now, set up these steaks. Season them up with some this really good seasoning I got. Called Black Tan Steak Rub. Really nice stuff. Probably not gonna be on too long, just to make sure that, because I got all these lights on and my door's open, and these bugs are gonna see that as a beacon and come right after me. Yeah, it was a pretty good day. Enjoyed my gifts. Me and Lou got to walk around and flaunt like a peacock. Got to have a super pack again, which I miss. Because last time I had a pack like that, I was in Asheville, North Carolina. And long story short, it wound up getting stolen along with my laptop and ID, social security card, birth certificate, and all that. Her leash, her like jackets and stuff like that. So it was fun, but slowly but surely getting everything back. So I'm proud of that. Anyways, yeah, time to wrap up the night. Work this out. Yeah, I'm definitely having fun today. I was watching a little bit of Avatar recently. Like when I was walking around, I was looking at not idea, but I was looking at the episode Bitter Work when Toph was teaching Aang how to earthbend. I think I would just love that show, I really do. If I were to be on that show, which I basically am, I'd be an earthbender, but not any earthbender. I'd be a lava bender. That'd be fucking awesome. That's basically how my personality is anyways. Yeah, it's a great freaking show. The philosophy, the martial arts, which is actually based off of true martial arts, is just awesome. I love the way they did that show. That show was truly top notch. Something like that. Shit, good. No, I got some of this special Kerrygold butter. I always use this butter when I cook. This is the kind with the garlic and herb thrown in. Let that heat up a little bit. Getting them steaks nice and situated. Yeah, me and Lou are gonna share these. Just get nice and hot. Meantime, That's true. Yeah, it was a good night. We got weather coming though. It's supposed to be a few storms coming this next few days. So I'm prepared for that. Make sure everything's all situated at Makin. So I have a few things outside because I was trying to organize everything. I also got that extra tote too, so I don't have to worry about bugs getting into my stuff. Because they have been digging all through my, not digging into my food, but they're trying to. And a lot of my stuff is sealed up, so I want to be able to keep it that way. And having an extra tote will make it so that they can't dig into my stuff. So that's a good thing. Also got some new scope. Dr. Squatch, Bay Rum, gotta love it. Yeah, me and Luda had a great day. I had no idea what happened. Oh yeah, I do know what happened. It was my freaking SD card. But yeah, I got a little Flintstone bone that she can mess around with, so she can keep herself busy. So that'll be nice. I'm hiding in my hill. A little bit of a crust on it, but I like that. Yeah. 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 Are you enjoying your big ass bone? Yeah. Also got myself some new soap today too. Got some Dr. Squatch Bay Rum. Smells pretty good. Kind of smells like it kind of smells like freaking what do you call that shit? Like Christmas. It basically smells like Christmas a little bit. But that's it for that. I think might be done. Yeah, I'm gonna chill out, watch some little bit of TV, be ready for tomorrow, start coming up with a game plan, and go on from there. Oh, I found something cool today. like down on the side of the road. I think I might put it in my camp. It says Grand Central Terminal. It's got it on both sides. Might just like nail that into a tree near where I'm camping at. Yeah, it'd be a nice way to keep track of the time. All rustic and shit. This bitch does not want to stay wet. Yeah, but we got rain coming. So definitely document the experience because I have to change up how I do things over here at the camp. The rain. And it's supposed to be consistent. It's supposed to be rain for 2 days on Friday and Saturday. And it's supposed to be on Saturday. It's supposed to be raining tonight, like 1 o'clock. And then it's going to be raining all of Saturday and all of Sunday. And it's supposed to be stopping on Monday and then continue on Tuesday and Wednesday. But North Carolina weather is pretty fickle. I want that bone. You give it here. I want it. All right, you can have it. Fine. You were loving that. When I grabbed that in the Walmart, she looked at me crazy. She was like, no, no. And think by the time I brought it back, she forgot about it. Because I put it inside of the crate when I brought everything back. And I just pulled it out a little while. She was like, oh. Yeah, she's going to be busy. But I'm also going to get that off my bed because she's going to like have pieces of like crunchy like meat all over my bed. And it's going to be like poking me while I'm asleep. Yeah, stay tuned. I'll have another video tomorrow. Yeah. I'll see you guys soon.